Hi guys, hi, I am back and I was thinking today to show you how the journal looks like until now. This is going to be the cover and I still have to decide, and these are the signatures. So let's see how they look like until now. These are the dyed papers and these are the Franken papers, and I haven't inked them yet, and I don't know if I'm going to ink them. Maybe I will leave them as they are. Yes, so this is how it looks like until now. I kind of love it. Actually, I love it. Not kinda, but love it. I don't know if they are necessarily, if I'm going to leave them as they are, but yes, like so. And this is that flop that we have created with the pockets, and I haven't folded any of the papers like that because I fell in love with these margins, with these torn margins. Yes. And with the Franken papers. This is my favorite by far. It is my favorite page by far, and it is tearing because it is crunchy. But yeah, so and this is how it looks like until now. It has 3 pages per signature, one A2 and A3. Okay, so we need 3 more pages because I want to have 6 pages per signature. And let's see how they sit in there in the cover. They sit pretty well. There is plenty of room to add pockets and, you know, pages, and until the cover is going to stay like this. Yes, and when it is going to stay like this, we are going to stop adding things in the journal. This was a great joke. Okay, and now I am going to grab from this pile some. This is a piece of paper from this book, the fashion swatch book, and I'm having one, and I could use 2 more. So I don't know if I should search for the, no, I'm going to go in a hole, in a rabbit hole, and I don't want that. So no, I'm going to grab papers, random papers from here, and I'm going to let me see, hinge them. Yes, I'm having these papers here, and I'm going to hinge them with these papers. You know? Yeah, why not? Why not? But I don't like the margins because they are too. And now let's hope that it is not too, but it is not too thin. Like that. And I am going to glue it here like that, and we are going to have a page. Yes, 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 of course. So I will grab my glue and I will put the glue on this paper like this. I will make sure that it has plenty of glue, which it does. It does have. And I'm going to hinge them. Oopsie, I haven't hinged them well. So let go, let go, let go. Now I'm glued. There you go. And now they are hinged. Hopefully. There you go. They are hinged. And maybe I want to add some, let's say I will hinge them on this side with this masking tape. If I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Go. Then I will come with my bone folder and burnish it really well so that I can be sure that it is glued. And that thing out of there, where's my, here it is, pair of scissors. This pair of scissors, I think that it is 20 something years old. I think 27. Yeah. And it has come with me wherever I went. There you go. We are having a hinged page. Okay. Next is this one. This one holds itself together pretty well. It doesn't need to be hinged. Same thing here, only that this is not tall enough for the journal, and I could add, but this is going to happen. Oh yeah, I will have to hinge those little ones. The little ones, these little ones, I have to hinge them because they are tearing in here, like, you know, like that. Yeah, so let's hinge them. And I think I want some washi tape, of sorts. Let me see what washi tape I want to use. What washi tape I want to use with this one? What's gonna be? What's it gonna be? This one. This one. This one washi tape. So I am going to take it like this, fold it like this a little bit so that it stays on the table, like that. There you go. Now I put the glue on. Like that. And I will come with the page and I will glue it down so. And it is pretty much the same like when we made the Franken papers. It's kind of the same, only that this time we are hinging them. We are not Franken them, we are hinging them. Yes, and then I will like that and glue on like so, and then I haven't cut it straight. I am aware of that. But let's see. Yes. Yes, I like it. And where's my bone folder? My wood folder? My folder? Where did it go? I don't know. It's a mystery. There, and now I will fold it back and train it back to stay folded like so, and there you go, we have another hinged page. Yes we do, yes we do. And another one, and this one maybe I want maybe I want this kind of tape. Like that. And I haven't asked you how are you, but I suppose that you are fine because we have seen each other yesterday only. And yeah, it is like we haven't even been apart. Or at least this is how it feels for me, that we haven't been apart for too long. And I have to admit that I have been missing filming every day, sitting here and turning on the camera and just talking to you. I missed that. I have. I truly have missed that. And I'm having one more of that. And this one, it is going to be hinged with some Franken paper. I don't know. I don't feel to hinge it with Franken paper because I am not afraid that I am going to put glue on my papers because it is going to get dried and it is not damaging the paper, it is only, you know, making it a little bit stronger, and the paper is already coffee dyed, and this coffee dye has soap in it and you name it. So no, I am not afraid. The grungier the paper, the better, for me at least. I do like the how the journals, how that those journals that are neat and perfect, I like how they look like, but I cannot make them. I cannot. I get bored and distracted, and I need messiness in my journals. I need messiness, I need movement, I need all that stuff. Otherwise, I get bored. So, and I cannot concentrate to create them. So, yeah. This is it. And in here, maybe I will add something nice. A little bit of something pretty. Something pretty. I know that it is going to be folded, but still it is going to be visible and it will create a nice effect. And maybe I don't know which one do I like more. I couldn't decide which side I liked more. I have took a leadership decision and I just glued it here. And now when we fold these, of course I should have waited. I should wait for them to dry, but who has that amount of patience? Not me. Not me. And anyway, I will have to go get out of the house today, so I don't have much time for crafting. But tomorrow it is going to be a different story, and we are going to craft. Yes. And now when I'm opening it, you see, I can see this in my signature. And even if it is going to be, let's see, let's take a signature out of here like that, and look, I will put it in here in the middle, and let's pretend that they are sewn. Yes, and I'm opening this and I see this, and then I'm opening this and I see that beauty. Look at it. It is pretty. It is pretty. Yes, it is. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. This is what we have created. We have hinged one with paper and masking tape, and then paper and washi tape and washi tape. Yes, so I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4. I will make more. I will make more, and we are going to put them in the signatures. And tomorrow probably we are going to create the cover. Yes, we will have to create the cover at one point. So to create it, to decorate it. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is what we have created today. We are going to meet again tomorrow, and until then, you know what you have to do. Craft with joy. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Bye.